Up for sale is my DHC2 Beaver. Awesome little plane. I just have no clue how to fly it. Comes pre-built, you just have to assemble it. All the lights are stock. Never been flown. Very beautiful little airplane with the little lights. I mean, a lot of attention to detail. Anyways, it is brand new. Have the box. And I'm selling it because, who am I kidding? I have no clue how to fly it. I don't have the patience to learn how to fly it. And there is one minor blemish. It's missing the windshield. I don't know what happened there, but did not get a windshield with it. But it does come with a remote and all the batteries. So let's go ahead and try the ailerons. Of the elevator. Everything works perfect. Get a gas remote. Yeah, this sounds pretty powerful. Obviously electric. Beautiful little plane. Anyways, up for sale.